I love you, black man. From the root of my soul, I love you, black man. I always want for you to know that when the weight of this world takes its place on your back, I vow to be the strength that will help you carry that. Because I love you, black man. From the root of my spirit, you always cry out in private. You don't want to let the world hear it. But there is power in your voice because you come from a royal place. I can see the king in you, destined to lead the human race. And I love you, black man. From the crown of your head to the soles of your feet, you are the lion of the jungle, but this world has painted you as sheep. And I can see your glory. I can hear the roar that has been suppressed. This world can't handle your rule. That's why they try to keep you oppressed. But I love you, black man. Enough to speak life into you. Enough to go to war if anyone ever decided to come for you. Enough to fast and pray when you go on the battle lines and fight. Enough to place my hand on the Bible and protect you with a lie. Enough to forgive you over and over when you do the wrong thing. Enough to give you my last meal when I haven't eaten anything. Because I love you, black man. It has been my job since the first day I was made. God created me to be your help, and I will do it until the very last day. You have enough bullshit to deal with when you face this world every day. So I vow to be your peace whenever you and I share space. Because I love you, black man. With the eternity of my existence, and no matter how unloved you feel in this world, my love for you is persistent. With how much God loved you when he created me in the Garden of Eden, God said man should not be alone. So he gave you me as completion. And I love you, black man. From the root of my soul, I love you, black man. And I always want for you to know that no matter how much this world tries to break you or even tear you and I apart, I was created directly from your rib. I'm here to guard your heart. And I love you, black man, from the root of my soul. I love you, black man. I always want for you to know that when the weight of this world takes its place on your back, I vow to be your strength to help you carry that. I love you, black man.
Hey yo, man, beats, they cannot stop me from creating, right? Can they, huh? Can they? I create through the wire.